Rotors Pads, coming to you a new video. Today we are going to be doing brake pads and rotors. Sponsor sent me these. The R1 Concept Optimo EP series pads. It's a ceramic paddings. Brake pads. Then we got the rotors right there. I got drilled and slotted. These, they're good. I'll try to put a clip of, yesterday I was at a meet and somebody, he fucked his wheel up and I was literally right behind him and he hit a curb and then I had to brake too. And the braking wasn't bad, but I want to be able to stop on a dime. What I was doing yesterday at the meet, burnouts and shit. Tire's gone. Got a new tire over there. And I'll be doing another video of camber arms, so I'll be changing that. They should be here today actually, but another video on that. This tire isn't it's good, still got some tread on it. So let's get into the video. So first, I'm going to be removing the caliper. So you can see, put my light right here. There is 2 bolts right there. I don't know if you can see. There's a bolt right there. You see my hand? And there's a bolt underneath here. If I remove those, the brake caliper should come out. So the rears are done. I ran into an issue with them since I've had these brakes for about, brake pads and rotors. Had them for about 3 or 4 months. I just never had the time to install them. But as you can see, this deep dish on the rotor, and this one isn't deep dish. So I don't know. I took them out just to look at them probably a couple months ago. And on these ones, you see the deep concave. I had to go on the website just to make sure, I don't want to do all this work into the wrong side, or the front's in the back and the back's in the front. So we're gonna put those on. And basically, I showed you the rear. Now I'm gonna show you the front. I can use a ratchet too. Perfect. These bitches are torqued. Shit. So I ran into a problem. Can't get this caliper off. Those bolts are fucking too tight, so I gotta figure something out. So the fronts are on and the rears are on. It's really not that hard. I would just say you definitely need a breaker bar for the front. Other than that, it's not hard. I'll try to do a review on these probably about 200-300 miles in. And that's about it. Let me know. Oh, never mind. Let me know what problems you ran into when you did this. You know, are these good brake pads? Do you like them? What's the break-in point? Just leave comments below and just let me know your review. Thank you.